Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I create content related to beauty and makeup. So if you want to get lots of tips on skincare, hair care, makeup tutorials, or you want to watch lots of hauls, then you are at the right place. You can subscribe to my channel. And in today's video I'm doing Amazon haul under rupees 800. So in this haul, all the items I am including are related to makeup, beauty, something like that. So let's begin the video without wasting any more time. Let's start with the first product. So this is the eyelash curler I have bought from Amazon. It was somewhere around 150 160 rupees, somewhere like that, and it is of such fine quality. It curls my lashes like anything. I will add the clip over here to show you how beautifully it lifts my eyelashes. It has like this black thingy kind of like, which makes it very easy to work with. Not a cheap quality product, which I love the best about it. At such affordable price, I'm getting such a beautiful eyelash color. So if you guys are looking for something like that, you guys can definitely check this out. It's a like wonderful product. An item of this Amazon haul is this eyelash glue. I already have an eyelash glue that is of Swiss Beauty, but that was of black color, like that glue was of black color. So as a newbie, it was very like difficult for me for like to work with that, because like when I'm like applying the glue on the eyelash and when I'm trying to stick it, it might like leave black patches on my eyes that I don't want. So I went with this one, Europe Girl eyelash glue. It is such a wonderful glue, guys. Like, it sticks your eyelashes to your eyes like anything. If you are a newbie like me and you have recently started using eyelashes, then you guys can definitely check it out. And the best part about this is that it dries down transparent. So even if you have little bit of glue on your eyes somewhere, then like this will be transparent, it will not be visible. So like a good product. The price of this one is rupees 300. Little bit expensive, because I think Swiss Beauty ka you will get somewhere around 200 rupees or so, but I like this one a lot. Like, good. Next product is these set of eyelashes. I bought 6 pair of eyelashes. So like, these are of okay quality, not that good, not that bad, and is Electromania, and the price of this one is 289 rupees. So like, it's of okay quality. So let me like take one eyelash out and show it to you guys. Like, this is how the eyelash looks. So that curler which I showed you, that works good with this kind of eyelashes also, that if you want to curl this eyelashes before applying it. So I bought it to practice, but it's good. Like, it's really good. See like how lengthening and good it is. So it looks little plasticky, but if you want to practice, then definitely you guys can go ahead this one. And one eyelash you can use multiple times. This I have already used. Can you believe it? Still it's in such a good shape. Like, I practice like using this eyelash. Such a beautiful eyelash. Next product of this Amazon haul is this makeup remover, this cloth over here. I have used it. It's such a must purchase for every makeup lover out there. Instead of using n number of cotton pads and like wipes and everything, invest in one good cloth. Save the environment. Do not so like, this works so beautifully. Like wash it. You guys can wash it in your machine with your hand or like whatever. And like, this is of such fine quality. The cloth is very soft, and like, you dunk the makeup remover and like swipe it on your face, it removes the makeup so beautifully. Like, little bit of removing the inner dirt which is there. So like, a must. One is somewhere around 260 270 rupees. The prices of everything will be on the screen, and the links for every product will be in the description box. So don't forget to check out the description box. I'm talking so much. Next product is nail polish remover. Obviously, if I'm doing a makeup haul, then how is it possible कि मैं nails का कुछ add ना करूँ? So this is a Color Bars makeup, not makeup, sorry, nail paint remover. So like this is Color Bars God, nail paint remover. So the price of this one is just 100 rupees. Can you believe it? Like, and it is acetone free. The quantity is 110 ml. I'm going to purchase another one. It like wipes the nail paint like anything. I will add the clip to show you guys like how beautifully it removes your nail paint, and it is not affecting the health of your nails as well. What do you want more than that? 100 rupees mein Color Bar? Come on. Next product of this makeup haul, Amazon makeup haul, is this eyeliner. It is LA Girl eyeliner and it's a colored one. It's a like blush pink kind of color. It's very light color. I hope my camera is able to capture that. So beautiful. The price of this one is 189 rupees. Affordable product. Like you can even use it to line your lips if you are going for nude lipstick. Next product is this Maybelline Blush Nude eyeshadow palette. This one is 724 rupees. It is one of the expensive products which I have added in the haul. Other products are quite budget friendly. So this is the Maybelline palette and it comes with a like amazing brush. Like this is the brush it came with. One side it has this sponge kind of thing and the other side is this brush. And look at the shade, guys. Like let me swatch it for you. Like this is the color I'm swatching. Look at the pigment, guys. Such beautiful shades. Like it has some white also. Like it has shimmers, it has matte shades, like full on. Like all the shades have little bit of shimmer inside it. That's what I'm seeing right now. Only 2 shades are there which are matte. All the other shades have little bit of shimmer inside that. But being a makeup and shimmer lover, I don't mind. And again, I'm not surprised. Maybelline के products तो A1 होते ही हैं. Next product is this Maybelline Colossal Kajal. ये आज ही आया है. I haven't even opened it. The price of this one is 340. Simple black color का Colossal Kajal है. Black color के 2 काजल हैं. Maybelline Colossal Kajal 130, 140 ऐसे ही कुछ आता है for 1 unit. I need to have kajal with me at all the time. I'm fanatic like that. I like kajal is like ride or die product for me. I cannot function without applying kajal on my eyes. Like once I step out of shower, like first thing I do, I apply kajal. So I need to have kajal in my backup. So and I love Maybelline kajals. So if you guys know any other brands good kajal, then let me know. That won't smudge on me because I don't want the kajal. Like these are smudge proof kajals that they don't smudge on me. So yeah, if you know any kajal that doesn't smudge and like good color payoff, let me know in the comment section. Coming on to the next items, these are fake nails. Yay! So like I love using like nail paint and all in sabki, to I am crazy gay. I love using all these things. So I went for this one. It is like this is the nail paint and it comes with a glue. So let me show you. This is what the nail looks like. Such a wonderful quality. Price of this one is 260 rupees. It's transparent, so you can apply any like nail paint you want on this. Like it has coffin kind of shape. Use glue and this like sticks on like that. I applied brown nail paint on one, and if you stick it on, it looks so classy. It doesn't look fake like you are wearing fake nails. shiny, glossy, wonderful product, guys. It's so cost effective. 260 rupees mein you are getting 10-12 fake nails that you can reuse n number of times. You can do nail art, you can use simple nail paints. Nails are these nails. So these are of Vixen. Company's name was Vixen, and it is little bit expensive with 549 rupees. But with this you get these nails, and then you get stickers like this. Stickers like this, like you take out this sticker and apply it on the nail and then stick on your nails, and then it comes with a filer as well, small filer. Like how cute. So let me show you the nail. It is little bit expensive, but the packaging is so nice, guys, like really wonderful. I felt it was little bit long for my taste. Like I like little bit of short nails. Like look at it, how long it is. So you can like cut it off and file it according to your need, but like these are so pretty, guys, like so pretty. And it comes in different sizes for your thumb, for your small finger, like all the sizes are there inside it, and all the stickers that are appropriate for different sizes are there. It's little bit expensive, but I loved it. Like good purchase. Again, this also I can use n number of times. Even this also I can paint, and I can use different nail paints on this one also. Like the base of this one is nude color. They had some good amazing designs, so I'm going to like purchase more. This is it, guys. I hope you like this Amazon haul, Amazon makeup haul 2021. So I loved all the items which I bought, so I will be adding all the links in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye, take care.